The electrician's suggestion to use the neutral wire as a ground is incorrect and dangerous. It violates electrical codes and creates a significant safety hazard. Grounding a receptacle by connecting the ground wire to the metal conduit may seem like a solution, but it's not reliable. Metal conduit can corrode or become disconnected, which compromises the ground path. Furthermore, it might establish multiple independent grounding points, leading to interference and other issues. Adding a ground bus bar to the load center and rewiring a single branch circuit breaker, say a 15 amps breaker to a 15 amps receptacle, using 14/2 wire is a potential solution. However, the ground bus bar should be connected to the utility ground line, not the neutral line. Keep in mind that this method only provides a ground to the selected receptacles and won't ground the entire apartment. Self-grounding receptacles have a grounding mechanism built into them. They can offer a reliable ground if the receptacle is installed in a metal junction box, and the metal junction box is connected to a grounded metal raceway-like conduit. If these conditions aren't met, self-grounding receptacles shouldn't be used. The best approach is to contact a qualified electrician familiar with local electrical codes who can provide a safe and code-compliant solution. This might involve rewiring the affected branch circuits using 3 conductor cables which are hot, neutral, and ground, and installing ground outlets. Alternatively, it could involve adding a ground bus bar to the load center and connecting it to the utility ground line, or using ground rods or other grounding methods to establish a reliable ground. The electrical work should be performed by qualified electricians only. Attempting to add ground to a load center can be dangerous and may void insurance coverage.